I am doing a much requested video, my nighttime routine. I then curled it, and we don't want these curls to go to waste. Some people will just do like pin curls or whatever. It tends to last a lot longer when my hair is in curls, like it's curled up and sectioned up and all that. If I want my curls to be a little bit tight, I'll do it in smaller sections. So I want to do smaller sections, but where you want kind of like your little bend to fall, that's like how far down you'll go. So however you need to sleep, that's how you need to do your hair. I'm just gonna take it from this side, wrap it, wrap it, wrap it. And I think for this, I'm gonna try to wrap the ends inside of the thing so they don't unravel. So these might be a little bit tight, but yeah, that's a lot better. I'm actually gonna go through with a dimming brush to get it really smooth. Like so, like that. Take the yeah, we're gonna bring it down. I'm literally just kind of like doing this as I go. Like I said, I haven't done these in like about a year because after COVID happened, it just like, you know. So yeah, there we go. Yep, and then, but like I said, you don't want it too tight to your root because you want your hair to kind of fall. I do not have a bonnet, but I do have a really, really, really big old headscarf. So that's what I'm gonna put on. Y'all saw me do the doobie wrap. Y'all saw me do this. That is me really taking care of my straight hair. Sometimes I get my hair straight and I really just kind of like let it do its thing after a day or so. I kind of want this to last a little bit, you know? Let's get into these curls. They're a little tight, but they're gonna fall. But they just look so good. I'm just gonna rake my fingers through them. I wish there was somewhere for me to go. But I like the fact that it's giving me like bob vibes a little bit. I'm also gonna spray some climate protection hairspray to help fight humidity. I'm not going outdoors, but the humidity in the air can still get in. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until the next time, see you guys later.